The main interface of DECALmachine is its Pi menu, which by default you bring up in the 3D view using the D key. Don't hold the D key, just tap it, quickly. If you hold it, clicking in the menu won't do anything. If the Pi menu won't stay open when you tap the D key, you need to adjust a setting in Blender's interface preferences. Make sure your tap key timeout is above 0. Default is 20, and I see no reason to change it. If you have Box Cutter installed, note that with its tool active, a Box Cutter Pi menu will come up instead of DECALmachine's. So to access the DECALmachine Pi menu, pick any other tool. Alternatively, you can change the key map for either DECALmachine or Box Cutter. Both can be done in the add-on preferences. There are 3 sections to the Pi menu. To the left and right are the asset loaders, used to bring decals from your libraries into the scene. You can click to open each one to reveal the decals in that library. All 4 of these are decal libraries, but this one is also a trim sheet library at the same time. In object mode it behaves exactly like the other decal libraries, but understand that unlike the others it is associated with a specific trim sheet. The small icon to the left of the name indicates that. The thumbnails also look a bit different. At the top of the Pi menu are various tools DECALmachine provides. And at the bottom are a few properties. Notice that everything has tooltips, and they are a great way to learn more about DECALmachine quickly. If you ever find your Pi menu like this, making it impossible to add decals from some libraries, know that you are in decal removal mode. Disable it with the small button at the very bottom. To learn more about decal removal mode, check out the documentation on decal creation. Note how the tools at the top are all grayed out, and that's because I have nothing selected. So once I select a decal, some of the tools become available, and you can click them. And pay attention to the underscored letters. You can use them to call a tool very quickly, without clicking. For instance, just press D and A in sequence, to start the Adjust tool. As of version 2 of DECALmachine, the Pi menu now also exists in edit mode. There will be no decal libraries in edit mode, but all trim sheets will be accessible here. At the top of the edit mode Pi are trim UV tools, as well as the E-panel tool, which was in the context menu in version 1.9 of DECALmachine. In addition to the 3D view, the edit mode Pi will also be available in the UV editor. It's basically identical, with only minor differences. Now, to actually bring a decal into the scene, just point your mouse where you want it to appear, then open the Pi and pick a decal from any library. Decals are objects in 3D space, so you can move, scale and rotate them. On non-planar surfaces, you could then use the Project tool to conform the decal to the surface. To learn more about any of the tools in object or edit mode, refer to each tool's dedicated section and video in the documentation.